Chiliz value equivalent to $0.593 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $1.559 $1.655. The earlier day close $1.582. The change was plus 0.11 plus 70%. Backwards rate US to CHC. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for June 2024. At the outset cost at 5,263 coins. Excessive cost 5,263, while low 4,167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,810. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 45045, change for June 13.6%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2024. At the outset cost at 4,545 coins. Excessive cost 4,545, while low 3,571. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,127. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,846, change for July 15.4%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for August 2024. Before all else cost at 3,846 coins. Excessive cost 3,846, while low 3,333. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,649. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3,571, change for August 7.2%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2024. To start with cost at 3,571 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The found the middle value of cost 3,400. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,3033, change for September 6.7%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for October 2024. To start with cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,4048, while low 3,030. The found the middle value of cost 3,259. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,226, change for October 3.2%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,333, while low 2,141. The found the middle value of cost 3,156. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 3,125, change for November 3.1%. Dollar to Chilliz estimate for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 3,125 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,857. The found the middle value of cost 3,060. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 3,030, change for December 3.0%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2025. In the first place cost at 3,030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,125, while low 2,778. The found the middle value of cost 2,869. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,841, change for January 2.9%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for February 2025. Before all else cost at 2,841 coins. Excessive cost 3,030, while low 2,703. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,1883. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,1857, change for February 2.9%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2025. To start with cost at 2,857 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,841, while low 2,500. The found the middle value of cost 2,750. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2,703, change for spring 5.4%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for April 2025. Initially cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,4839. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,658. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,632, change for April 2.6%. US to CHZ expectation for May 2025. To start with cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,857, while low 2,439. The found the middle value of cost 2,640. The US to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 2,632, change for May 0%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for June 2025. Before all else cost at 2,632 coins. Excessive cost 2,632, while low 2,128. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,416. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2,273, change for June 13.6%. US to CHZ expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 2,273 coins. Excessive cost 2,326, while low 2.41. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.2. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.174, change for July 4.4%. Dollar to Chilliz figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 2.174 coins. Excessive cost 2.778, while low 2.174. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.423. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.564, change for August 17.9%. US to CHZ expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 2.564 coins. Excessive cost 2.841, while low 2.500. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.677. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2.703, change for September 5.4%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for October 2025. At the outset cost at 2.703 coins. Excessive cost 2.703, while low 2.326. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.558. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 2.500, change for October 7.5%. US to CHZ expectation for November 2025. At the outset cost at 2.500 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.500, while low 2.041. The found the middle value of cost 2.304. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2.174, change for November 13%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 2.174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.174, while low 1.754. The found the middle value of cost 1.997. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 1.887, change for December 13.2%. US to CHZ expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 1.887 coins. Exorbitant cost 2.381, while low 1.887. The found the middle value of cost 2.94. The US to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 2.222, change for January 17.8%. Dollar to Chilliz gauge for February 2026. Initially cost at 2.222 coins. Excessive cost 2.857, while low 2.222. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.483. The US to CHZ figure toward the month's end 2.632, change for February 18.5%. US to CHZ expectation for Walk 2026. Initially cost at 2.632 coins. Excessive cost 3.333, while low 2.632. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.9831. The US to CHZ conjecture toward the month's end 3.125, change for spring 18.7%. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture for April 2026. At the outset cost at 3.125 coins.